Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is the competitor. So I'm sometimes asked, do you bag the competitor? Or what about if the client actually knocks the competitor? Do you agree? So I'm going to give you some things to consider. If you bag the competitor, the client may have purchased from that competitor before, and what you're actually doing is telling them they're a fool if you bag the competitor. Number two, if the client knocks a competitor, what can you do? I think you just need to be professional and say everyone has their place in the marketplace, but you need to hold on. The competitor is in the same industry as you. Do you know what I say if you see the competitor? Rejoice, hug them, smile. You could grow the business together. There's a need there. You've both got unique selling points, but between you could grow that industry. That's how you need to look at it. So my thoughts on the competitor is never knock them, never bag them, and rejoice when you see them, so you look professional. If you found this comment interesting, then do share. If you've got something to say about the competitor that's polite, then put it below. If you want more tips on how to grow your business fast with integrity and professionally, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.